Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Terraform on Windows and create S3 bucket step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Terraform website at terraform.io. Click on the Downloads section in the top menu. Select the Windows version of Terraform for download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All. Choose a destination folder for the extracted files and click inside. Find the Terraform executable file named terraform.exe. Copy the path of the folder where terraform.exe is located. Next, you need to add this path to your system's environment variables. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select System. In the System window, click on Advanced System Settings. Select the Environment Variables button located at the bottom. In the Environment Variables window, locate the path variable in the System Variables section. Select it and click on Edit. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on New. Paste the path to the Terraform folder you copied earlier. Click OK on all windows to save your changes. To verify the installation, open Command Prompt. Type Terraform V and press Enter. If installed correctly, you should see the Terraform version number displayed. Now, let's create an S3 bucket. First, ensure you have an AWS account and the AWS command line interface installed. Open the command prompt again. Run the command AWS configure to set up your AWS credentials. Enter your AWS access key ID, secret access key, region, and output format when prompted. Next, create a new directory for your Terraform project. Navigate to this directory in your command prompt. Create a new file named main.tf using a text editor. In main.tf, add the following configuration for your S3 bucket. Define the provider as AWS. Specify the region for your bucket. Add a resource block for the S3 bucket with a unique bucket name. Save and close the file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.